Okay, so I've gone through them all, and I'm trying to select the best ones. And what I've done is I've gone through them, basically shorting them to give them about 6 or 7 amps load. Okay, and these ones seem to drop to the lowest. That they drop drop to the highest voltage of them all. They're not all great, but oh shit. So what I've done, if I disconnect that. So let's just see. So if I put this on here, I'm still not happy with the results because they're a bit varied, but you can see now it's 815, okay, and then when I short it, it goes down to 807, okay. So this 807, right, I think these two go down to 806, and this one goes down to about 8065, and the rest of them are a lot lower. Let me put this one on. Yeah, so if I put that on, yeah, that's saying 803 now. You see, it's a little bit an arbitrary side. Now it's saying 801. Oh, is that the right one? Yeah. 805. You see, now if I go, for instance, to that one, it says 8 volts. These are the ones that I've actually taken out of the running, as if it were. 7.9. Yeah. 805. You see, that one's saying 805 now, but this one is also saying that. Okay. That's 802. So this one here is saying 805. Yes? Yeah. So I think what I'll do is we'll not have that one, and we'll add that one. There we go. Yeah, that one's dropping quite low. None of these are discharged, of course. Yeah. Yep. On that one. You see, that's 804. And the one above it is one that I actually thought I'd select. It's 8021. Yep. Let's go again on that one. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to that. Yeah, see, 805. 805. 808. And this one down here. 802. Yeah. And the one at the bottom. Yeah, 801. So I think these ones are okay. I'm struggling to find a fourth one, but I think of them all, those are the 4 I'm going to select to put in the battery. The rest of them aren't shit. They're just, I want to try and pick the best, and those are via this rather ad hoc test, essentially. I don't consider this to be a good test because we've got problems with the wires. We've got problems with the way that I'm doing the connection. It's not a proper switch. There's also problems probably with these connections here, but that'll do. We'll use those ones, and the rest can stay out.